All right, back in the lab. January 1. Got the 05 300 in here. Hey, following up about a rear suspension issue. Coming along pretty good. The build is still going. A rear control arm. All right, so that's one thing. A rear control arm on the passenger side. And then the second thing is I got a treat for y'all. A catback exhaust kit from DNA Motoring to wake it up. Look right here, we got hella rear suspension parts. Just extras from all of the 300s over the years. Big Soap Dog out there waiting on me. All right, trying to get it done. So we got a rear suspension part up in here that's acting wonky. A 3% tint. Car coming along. So we're doing a catback exhaust kit and getting a rear suspension issue resolved. ABS light is on. Hopefully that goes away with this part swap. We're gonna do whatever we do on one side, we're gonna do on the other as far as that goes. So that's what I got. An 8-piece rear suspension kit plus leftovers from all of the 300s and stuff over the years. You dig? This like a parts bin car like GM and Chrysler do. You know what I mean? When I say that, I had a lot of these parts on this bill already. Only had to buy a couple extras. But I basically have a car in the box ready to go. You know what I mean? A Hemi in the box ready to go. Feel me? You did. Over here with my boys on 59th at the Citgo. Happy New Year.